Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can send an attachment to or via your messages in your groups on Google Groups. So let us get started. Like for example, I don't know, Word files, Word documents, images, and so on and so forth. So guys, to do that, navigate to your group on Google Groups you're a member of, click into it, then click into start a conversation here. And then guys, what you want to do is enter the subject, the text content below, and then at the bottom you will see these two options, right? You may add an attachment and also an attachment as a photo. So you can go with one of these. I'm going to upload an image to that email, and then click into this button, click into browse and navigate to the file on your device. Wait for the upload, and then you will see the uploaded image. In this case here, the channel logo for demonstration purposes, attached to the bottom of the message. So if you click into that field or that line here just above the image, you may press enter to skip to the next line and enter your text here. So it's an inserted image, and you can do the same with attachments like text documents. Thanks for watching guys, and have a wonderful day.